Guys, I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to do a review on a new product, and today's new product is going to be this Morphe palette right here. So it's the 9C Jewel Crew eyeshadow palette, and I got this online at Sephora, and it was actually on a low price. That's why I got it. So it was 16 bucks, so plus tax it's like 20 something like that, so it was really not that expensive. So yeah, I decided to get it. This is the box that it comes from, and as you can see, this is the 9C Jewel Crew eyeshadow palette, as you can see. And if I open right here, you see the palette is really short, a mini small palette. And if I open right here, you see that it has a cute mirror just right here. It's very cute. The first time that I opened it, I was like, wow, this is very cute and stuff. I feel like this is really cool that the Morphe palette thought about like putting a mirror in here, so that way you can, you know, see yourself while you're doing your makeup. I really think like this is the plus that makes it more, you know, really nice and stuff. And for the colors, it has 9 colors in it. The names are Rock Out, Rose Quartz, Purple Rain, Fool's Gold, Hidden Gem, Chocolate Diamond. We have Flex, we have Stone Fox, and we have Rich Girl. And just looking at them like this, my favorite I think will be the Rich Girl, and probably the Fool's Gold also, because I think it's really cute. And also don't forget the Purple Rain. It's like really cute, a little like sparky and stuff. So I decided to use some of the colors right here. Of course I can't use like all of the colors that I have here. I had like buy some palettes from Morphe already. Like they were actually expensive. They were like $35, and that's when I didn't know and stuff. So as a beginner, I would recommend first to buy like these type of palettes, because they're small. They have like very specific like base of color shade, so that way it's easier for you to just like pick a color and stuff. Because with the other ones that I have, the big palettes and stuff, you have like a lot of colors in it, and sometimes it's hard for me to choose what color to use, and as a beginner I find it hard and stuff. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to start doing my face. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm gonna do my face. Of course I'm gonna use this palette right here. I'm going to do my eyebrows out the camera. I mean, I can do them on the camera, I don't mind. It's just that when I do them out the camera, it's more like faster and easier for me. So I'm just gonna take my MAC eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna be using this mirror right here, because usually I have like this small palette that I use for a mirror, but today, since I'm reviewing like this palette, I'm just gonna use like the mirror that I have. Yeah, so I'm just going to brush my eyebrows here, and then I'm going to fold them up with the pencil right here. Oh my god, it's almost done. What? Okay, it's coming. And I do the same with this eyebrow right here. So basically I just fold them up, and then after I shape them with my Huda Beauty concealer. As my eyebrows are filled in, I'll go ahead and take my Huda Beauty concealer right here, and then this is what I'm gonna be shaping with. And right away I just take like a clean brush, and then I'm going to blend the concealer, because if you take more time to blend it, it's gonna get dry really fast. That's what I've realized with the Huda Beauty concealer. It get dry really fast, which is not good at all, because afterwards it'd be hard for you to blend the concealer, of course. So you just want to blend it right away. So my eyebrows are done. I don't know about them today, but they're not like that nice done. But anyways, so I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation right here, and I'm going to put it everywhere. Oh no, oh my god, why did I forget to put I forgot to moisturize my face. So today I'm going to take my Brighter Days Tarte moisturizer. Basically what it does, it's like a highlighting moisturizer. So I'm going to take this one, and I'm just going to apply it here. this is how it look like, by the way. This is how it look like. Oh my god, why the sun is not collaborating? This is how it look like. I got this at Sephora as well, so I'm just gonna put this one right here. So don't forget your moisturizer. So because I forgot to put my moisturizer first for my foundation, this is what happened basically. And now I'm going to blend the foundation with my Morphe brush right here. I'm going to take my brush here and I'm just going through the eyes and stuff. And then I'm going to take my Huda Beauty powder right here. You know that I need to set my eyes before I apply the eyeshadow. Like, you see the difference. Like, this one is set and this one is not set at all. So this is the difference between applying the powder and not applying the powder. And because my eyes are always like oily, I always want to make it dry so that way the eyeshadow looks bomb when I apply it. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetic brush right here. So I'm just going to take the Rich Girl right here and then I'm going to set it everywhere. I like how it's blending and stuff. The way it's blending and stuff, it's actually nice. It's not like not that bad at all. So as you can see, I keep blending and blending and blending and stuff, and this is how it looks so far. I like how it's coming out. I don't know if I should take like some Stone Fox here and then just put it like on top. Like, I don't know what to do, but I don't know, what should I do? Yeah, I'll just apply it on top. I'm gonna take my other more BH Cosmetic brush here and I'm just going to blend in Stone Fox shade here. And I think I'm gonna put it like up here. Ooh, I love this. Look at it. This was a good idea. I mean, look at it. It looks cute. Like, I didn't expect this, to be honest. I didn't expect this color to be like this. So this how the eyeshadow looks so far, and it's really looking nice. So now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty concealer right here. This is what I'm going to cut the crease with. So I'm gonna be using this brush right here. So I'm just gonna blend in like this, and I'm going to add some right here first. Ooh, wow, this is like enough pigmented. Like, this is a nice pigmented color. I didn't thought it was gonna be that pigmented, but it actually is. Wow, I mean, look at this. This is gorgeous. Wow, Morphe, this is really gorgeous. This is too pretty. I can't. This is too pretty. You see what it did? This is too pretty. But like, do you all see like how pigmented this is? Like, this is so much pretty. My god, this is so nice. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this color right here, like this dark color right here. And then what I'm going to do is just start, I'm going to put it in the corner right here. So it's called Flex shade, and this is what I'm adding like here. It's kind of like a chocolate shade, and I'm just putting it here like in the corner. And this is, wow, this is gorgeous. I can't. Wow, look what it did. So now I'm going to apply my fake lashes. So as you can see, now my lashes are applied on and my eyes look actually amazing. So now I'm going to take the Fool's Gold right here. So just right here. I don't know if you can see. God. Okay, so this shade right here. And then I'm just going to put it on top here. So the top of the eye. So just right here. Huda Beauty concealer again, because we need to conceal the face. So I'm just going to put some here. And take this small cute brush right here. This is what I'm going to blend with it. So now that I'm done blending, I'm going to take my contour matchsticks Fenty Beauty contour. I just said that twice. Oh my god. Cheeks right here. And then my nose, of course. My forehead. I'm going to take my brush here, and then this is what I'm going to be blending with. You can go hard on it because it's really kind of dry, so you have like to blend really hard and stuff. So I'm going to take the same sponge and I'm just going to be dab in it. I go through where I put the concealer, so like here. So every area that I went to conceal, that's where I put the powder. Like, this is the best Morphe palette I've ever used, and I only used this shade right here, I use this shade right here, and then I use this shade right here. So basically I use 4 shade. I use Flex, I use Stone Fox, I used Rich Girl, I used also Purple Rain. So only need 4 shade to create this look, and this is looking popping. Like, I love how it's looking. I don't know if it's only me, but I just love how the eyes look. So now I'm going to take this small pencil right here. That's what I'm gonna really be putting like under my eyes here. So now I think the powder is set already. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetic powder brush, and then I'm just going to be brushing off the powder just like this. So it's like you blending while like blushing off the powder basically. I'm going to take this dark-ish color right here, so it's Flex shade, and I'm going to put it under my eyes here. So my eyes are done right now. I have like this mini lipstick here. I got these at Sephora. As you can see, there is Sephora on it, and I don't know which shade should I wear. Yeah, I'll probably take this one. So I'm gonna take this pencil right here that I got at Drug Mart. First, I'm gonna line my lips, and now I'm done. And this is the complete look. This is the complete look that I just did, and this is the palette, the Morphe palette that we just used, that I just used. I feel like the colors are really nice, and then they did such a good job. And I think if you're a beginner like me, this is not such a bad look. Like, it can be worse. So this palette, I think it's really nice palette, and for 16 bucks, that's not bad at all, because most of the palettes like this, they're really expensive for nothing. So I think for the shades, as you can see, the shades are not bad at all. It looks really nice. I think if I was like someone who like knows how to apply the colors better, it would have been even more nicer. But since I'm a beginner, and then I'm still learning like how to apply my colors, like what colors to mix with and stuff, I still find it difficult to use like some specific colors and stuff. But so far, with the colors I used today, it's not bad at all. And then I like the look how it come out. As I said before, this is the Morphe palette I just reviewed, and these are the 9 shade palette that you have. I would recommend this palette 100% for beginners just like me to buy this palette. And you can find it at Sephora, and I'll put the link below, so that way if you want to purchase it, you can just like click the link and then go to the website and stuff. I will be doing like a lot of videos, because recently I just like buy a lot of stuff, and then instead of just using them like that, I can just do a review. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you really did enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next video that's coming pretty much soon, I think. And bye.